Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, November the 23rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left: Tectonic with 4 stars and a.k.a. Sudoku. But first, I will solve this Tectonic one. This one will be number, I believe, 3726. Yeah, 3726. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. 11 could be a hard one, could be an easy one, because all the hard ones has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more, if it's really a 4 stars. Last time I have a 4 stars Tectonic, so it could be a hard one. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Following question. Dual boxes. Do we have a dual box? I see only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. Do we have any triple boxes here? No. Can't see any triple boxes. How about quadra boxes? Do we have quadra boxes here? Here, quadra box. But I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Mirrored. So let me draw the L shape here. And remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. That's also for this L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. We have here this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. It's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. The following shape. This shape. This shape. Let me draw this shape. Okay. Here. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more figures or shapes or structures or constructions? Yeah. This one, the Z construction. Let me draw this here. Yeah. Alright. The Z construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. And there are two boxes that you need to know has the same number. And those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 shapes or structures or figures that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 5. So the next step, why do you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4. Now we have a 2 there. This box, I've marked this with 1 or a 2. It cannot be a 2 anymore. So this box should be a 1. And this box has the same digit number as that one. I've marked this. So 1 box left in this duo box for number 2. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 2. Oh, wait. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1 or a 3. Can it be a 2? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, that means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. Can be a 2. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Now it will be complicated. Yeah. Okay. I need to think. Okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two, no. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be. Yeah. Well, complicated. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a 1 over there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 4 and a 5. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated a 4, so the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1. No. We have correction. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 3. Oh, we have a 4 here. So it should be a 3 here. And that box should be a 4. Okay. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it's not a solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So this should be a 1, and that box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. Okay, now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 earlier. But now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. It's a mess. It's a mess. Alright, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 4 and the 5 are left in this L shape. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. I've marked these 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, I've marked this earlier, but we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, I've marked this earlier, but now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. We have a 4 here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Almost finished. This box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. And the final number of this area for the number 4. Finish in 80 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Thank you, and bye-bye.